Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable cookies in the Outnet application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Manage Cookies button. And as you can see, the essential cookies are set to be always active, but if you click on the white circle next to them, you can just disable them. And then click on the Save and Close button, and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.